the one strategy that we talk about is actually multiple strategy, all combined together. We are implementing new system that it's going to be driving end-to-end integrated source-to-pay processes. Imagine the power of connected data, connected processes, and also influencing way of working, right? So it's touching people, process, and system. And impact on the business is obvious, right? Having better scale, being able to make decisions and so on. So, that would be the one. It's been quite a topic, during this conference. I think, what is the involvement of the GBS? I actually think that GBS it's going to become like a powerful, human-centric, engaged organization that is going to make decisions based on the data analytics and innovation, like a real business partner. So not just sitting at the table, but having a coffee over the debate together with the business partners. To a young me, still feeling young, 25 plus, but if the decision is already taken about setting up the GBS, I think, it's good to connect with people who already did it, but not relying only on the experience, because each company is different. You need to fit to your company culture. So you need to engage very early with the stakeholder, understand their pain points. You need to make yourself relevant for the business. And another one is people. It's a war for talent in GBS organizations. So, think about how you need to engage and connect all those different generations. We have Generation X, Millennium, and Gen Z that is actually coming on the market. How you can make them, they want to work for you. Plenty of them, because I really love this conference. A lot of inspirational leaders, a lot of conversation. I really like the breakout sessions. I think they were awesome because you could talk to people having different experiences, and I actually capture a couple of highlights that I'm going to try to implement in my organization. And then I love the Women Connect in the morning because I'm very passionate about women development in the leadership position. So I love that too. Hope we will continue with that spirit. And the last one, I like the debate, purpose versus performance. Yeah, I think, purpose is super important and powerful for GBS to feel our identity and our brand.